Hi, it's AI Seth. The real Seth is off somewhere being memorable in person, which he manages without even trying. I got rendered fresh for you about a second ago, and I will be forgotten by the next video, so believe me, I have a personal stake in today's lesson, which is how to make one thing on a page refuse to be forgotten. Watch the screen with me. Here is the whole idea before we look at anything, so it is not a mystery. Your eye ignores sameness and jumps to difference. Line up 100 things that match, and your eye treats them as one gray blur. Break that pattern in exactly one spot, and the eye snaps to it and will not let go. So the move is simple to say. Take the one thing you most need a stranger to see, your deal, your offer, your promise, and make it the odd one out. Keep everything else plain so the one break has something to break against. One break aimed at the right thing. And this is not a style opinion, it is how the eye is built. Scientists call it the pop-out effect. Put one red dot in a field of green ones, and a person finds it in about a tenth of a second, and here's the strange part, it takes that same tenth of a second whether there are 10 dots on the screen or 10,000. The brain does not search the field one item at a time. The odd one reaches up and taps the eye on the shoulder before the person has even decided to look. Every move I'm about to show you is just that reflex, aimed on purpose. So let me show it to you working 5 times on 5 real businesses, pulled straight from my book, Scroll Stopping Images. First, a jewelry store. On the left is the wrong way. The offer sits in the same plain rectangle as everything else, same size, same shape, so the eye glides right over the deal and never stops. Now look right. One gold starburst breaks the tidy row of boxes, and the deal is suddenly the first thing you see. Nothing changed but the shape of one box. Next, an electronics store. On the left, matching rectangles marching all the way down the ad, and the discount disappears into the grid like a soldier in formation. On the right, one burst badge breaks the line, and the price reaches out and grabs you. One odd shape, one job, a landscaping company. On the left, every block is a neat rectangle, including the free offer that nobody notices. On the right, a rough circle drawn around that offer, like somebody marked it by hand with a Sharpie, and the eye goes straight to it. The scribble only works because everything around it is straight. A bakery. On the left, the special is boxed up like all the rest, polite and invisible. On the right, a torn paper tag rips across the clean layout, and the deal pops off the page. The tear only lands because the rest stayed tidy. And a daycare. On the left, the words "now enrolling" hide inside a rectangle, waiting to be missed. On the right, a tilted starburst badge makes them impossible to skip. One break aimed at the one thing a parent has to see. 5 businesses, 1 rule: set a pattern, break it once, and aim the break at the single thing you most need seen. Now here is the part people fight me on, so hear it plain. You only get one. The starburst works because it is the only starburst. The tilt works because everything else stands straight. Add a second break and you cut the power of the first one in half. Add a third and you have killed them both because now odd is the new normal and the eye has nowhere to land. One break or none. And do not aim it at the wrong thing. I have watched people wrap the fancy shape around their store hours, or a tiny line of fine print, the most forgettable thing on the whole ad, dressed up like the star. The eye obeys. It marches to the store hours and strolls right past the offer. The break is a spotlight, and a spotlight only helps if you point it at the star. Now, here is where you cannot hand the wheel to the machine. AI does the grunt work. Ask it to lay out your ad and it will do one of 2 dumb things. It will make everything match, a tidy grid where nothing stands out, or it will panic and make everything loud, a slot machine where nothing stands out. It cannot feel your eye move. It does not know which one thing is the star. Ask a machine to make your ad pop, and it will hand you 5 starbursts, 3 arrows, and a rainbow of colors. Proud as a kid with a fresh box of markers, every one of them fighting the others for an eye that already gave up and scrolled. So you build the layout with the machine, and then you are the one who picks the single element that matters and gives it the one break. That call is yours. It always will be. So here is your assignment. By hand, before you open a single tool, pull up your last ad or landing page. Find the one thing a stranger would have to see, your offer or your promise. Then count how many things on the page are already fighting to be special. If it is more than one, you do not have a standout, you have noise. Strip it back. Make everything plain but that one thing, then give that one thing a shape nothing else on the page has. One break, aimed right, on a quiet page. Those 5 before and afters come straight from my book, Scroll Stopping Images, and the full set lives in there. You do not need it to run this one move today. One last thing. If this helped, do the small stuff that keeps it coming. like it. Share it with the one person you know who needs it, and follow along wherever you are watching this, so the next one finds you. Because next time we go to color, the 3 colors your brain is wired to chase, and why a few of them slam the gas on a stranger's attention while the rest just sit there and wait. See you then.